So there are two crazy news today. So first crazy news is nawala yung nagka-outage ang OpenAI. So nawalan ng access yung mga tao for ChatGPT, Sora, ano pa ba? DALL-E, no? So that's one of the craziest news. You can actually check all of that in either in Twitter or X or sa Reddit, no? So madaming mga nagko-question, no? So lahat sila lumipat sa second news. Yung second news, nilaunch ngayon today ng Google ang Gemini 2.0. And chinek ko yung the Gemini 2.0. Ano ba siya? No? So, as you know, so Google's been creating different kinds of products. So, ang kakaiba sa Google Gemini ngayon is the ability to see. So, meaning you can actually send videos and you can chat. And the AI can chat and basically tell you what's happening in that video. So, there's that component na wala pa yung ibang other LLMs, no? So, siya pa lang yung nakakapag, you know, pwede mo padala yung, pwede mo sa, and ito yung nakakatawa, yung video na to, hindi siya, meaning live video, pwede yung camera mo, on mo lang, pwede ka magsalita, pwede ka magpakita ng mga objects, at kaya niya sabihin kung ano yun. And it has voice, pwede ka niyang kausapin all throughout. So, I think, yun ang isa sa mga craziest updates ngayon, no? So, paano ba ma-access yung Google Gemini 2.0. So, ito yung way para ma-access siya. So, need nyo lang is to have a Google account, obviously. So, anyway, pwede nyo siya puntahan sa AI Studio, google.com. So, yan, Google AI Studio. So, ito yung, I think nakwento ko to before, ito yung, para siyang version ng ChatGPT na for developers, yung may API ka, na may API key ka, na you can create your own, nahulog yung aking ano, tubig. You can create your own prompts, no? So, pero ang maganda dito, if you click on this, so ito yung tsura niya, yun, you can see everything here. Hindi ko na explain kasi gusto ko excited ako makapakita sa inyo. So, here, you can turn on your camera. So, pwede kang makita, no? So, access niya yung camera mo. Ayan, you can see. Tadan! You can take a screenshot. Ayan, so. And pwede mo ko siyang kausapin. Like, literally, pwede mo siyang kausapin. You have voice as well. You can record. I mean, legit siya. Ewan ko para sa akin, it's like, it's such a, I haven't experimented on it, pero I'm just telling you now kasi kakalabas lang niya. So, if you guys are gonna be experimenting it, tell me what happens, ano yung mga nagawa niya, no? So, this is such a cool thing.